So in my last RX7, I had this what they call a drift button, and this is its stock, and you got to undo it using some pliers or something. It's very hard. So I'll get back to you when I have it out. So there we go. That's the original pieces. And there's the focus. There's the rod sticking out. Just bolt that. I mean, you screw that in there all the way until it's tight. Not locking your brake. So if you do want to lock it, you just pull up on it and release, and that locks it. Now you can, drift. You don't have to worry about that. Unless you really do want to park, then you just pull it up. And that's how to install a drift button. I call it e-brake mod.